Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to reconcile your bank account in QuickBooks Online. First of all, open your QuickBooks dashboard. Click on the arrow next to Transactions and tap on Reconcile. Here you can enter the details of which you want to reconcile. In the account section, you can add cash and cash equivalents, allowance for bad debt, available for sale assets, expenses, inventory, and inventory assets. Here I am selecting cash and cash equivalents. After that, you have to add the following information: beginning balance, ending balance, and ending date. Now enter the service charge or interest earned if necessary. Here you need to enter the details like date, service charge, and expense amount. Then add the date, interest earned, and income amount. After that, you have to tap on Start Reconciling. Here you can know how your statement organizes transactions, or you can look at each transaction on your statement. You can also look for zero price transactions. You can also filter to find the tricky transactions. Give yourself more space to work here, then tap on Next. Click on Help if you want some expert tips and tricks. You can also edit the info or save it for later. Here are options like Finish Now, Save for Later, or Close without saving. That is all you need to do to reconcile your bank account in QuickBooks Outline. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.